Bye Falls. Look at all the moss.
If I didn't have a blood system.
Grandma will show you the way. Up the hill. That's better. Vienna got up in front and it's a little bit rough.
We watched Wizard of Oz for the first time ever. And you know that part where they're in the forest and the trees all come alive?
Okay, we're almost out of the forest. Out into the sunshine.
Yeah, we made it. We did it.
Here they come.
Strawberry with sprinkles.
Rainbow.
Oh, close.
Come on up the hill.
We're almost there. Back to the car. Strawberry with rainbow sprinkles. She can't stop thinking about donuts.
Yeah, well, we were comparing radishes to donuts. And we thought donuts tasted better.
For sure. Not even the same league on that one. Oh, where's the pond? There's a pond? There's a pond?
Yeah, go across the dam. I'm gonna